All right, guys, so I just got that exhaust for the old Predator, so we're gonna crank it and see what it sounds like before I put the exhaust on it and what it sounds like after. So let's see. Turn down, put choke on. Kind of cold. Hold on, it's real chilly. Alright, so that's stock exhaust. I'll get right back to you guys once I put the aftermarket on. Alright, here's with the aftermarket exhaust. This is from Go Power Sports, by the way, if you guys were wondering. Alright, turn that on and put it in the choke again. That is loud as crap. Okay, dude, I'm gonna have to get it out of this shop because it is loud as fire, dude. All right, guys, give me a second here. I'll be right back.